Hi and welcome to this course. In this video lesson, we are going to be talking about if-else statement. So what is an if-else statement and why do we use it? Suppose you have a program and you want to run that program only when there is a certain situation happening, only when a certain situation is true. Then how do we do it? Well, that's when the if-else statement comes into the play. So let me show you what I mean. So let's create a variable first. So let age is equal to 10. Okay, and so if this age, okay, so if this age is equal to 10, so if this age, if the value of age is equal to 10, then only I want to do this. Okay, so if the value of age is 10, then I want to print something on the screen. So value is 10. Okay, so let's just save this and let's just refresh this, and so the value is 10. So what is happening here? Well, we are allowing our program, we are allowing our code to make some decision, and it is making a decision based on some condition, and this age is equal to 10 is a condition. So if this age is equal to 10, this is what it means. So if this age is equal to 10, then only do everything that is inside these curly braces. And if this age is not equal to 10, so if this age is not equal to 10, then do everything that is inside these curly braces. Okay, so let me print something here. So console log, and value is not 10. I'm using a simple example here to make sure that you understand everything here. So let me refresh this, and the value is 10, and of course the value is 10. But what if I change the value to 16? Well, if I change the value to 16, then you will see a change here. So value is not 10. Of course the value is not 10 because we changed it to 16. So this is how it works. So if this condition is true, so if age is equal to 10, then do this. Okay, and if this condition is not true, so if age is not equal to 10, then do this. Okay, so now let me show you some operators which we'll use. So these are the operator. This is the greater than symbol, and this is the smaller than, this is greater than equal to, and this is smaller than equal to, and this is not equal to, and this is equal to. Okay, we also have this one is also equal to, and this one is also equal to, but this one is which I prefer to use because it matches the data type. So when I say age is equal to 10, it will make sure that the value of age is 10, and also the data type is integer, but this one doesn't match the data type. Let me show you what I mean. So let me change it back to 10, and I will put the quotation, and I will remove this, and I will make it like so. Okay, now if I save this and if I run this, then you will see the value is 10, and that is what I mean. This double equal to sign doesn't matches the data type, but this triple equal to sign matches the data type, and this one is not equal to. So it will check if the value of age is not equal to 10. So if the value of age is not equal to 10, then it will do this. Okay, and this one is smaller than equal to. So if the value of 10 is smaller than or equal to 10, so if the value of age is smaller than 10 or it is 10, then it will do everything inside these lines. Okay, and now it is greater than equal to. So if the value of age is greater than or equal to 10, then it will do everything that is inside these braces, and these one are simple. It is greater than, so if the value of age is greater than 10, and this one is smaller than, so if the value of age is smaller than 10. These are some simple operators which you should know, and if you have any problem understanding these, then please make sure to leave a comment down below. I will make sure to make a video on the operators. Okay, now let me revert it back to what it was previously. So 10 and equal to right here. Now I want to check for multiple condition. I want to have multiple if statement. I want to check for the age 10, and I want to check for the age 12, and I want to check for age 14. So how can I do that? Well, that is also simple. We'll hit enter a couple of times, and then I will say else if, and inside this if statement we will put our condition. So age is equal to 20 or 12, and another else statement. So else if age is equal to 14, then do this. And if age is not equal to 10 or 12 or 14, then do the else part. Okay, so let me just copy it and paste it in here and in here, and change the value from 10 to 14 and from 10 to 12. Okay, now if I run this program, the value will be 10, but if I change the value from 10 to 12, then the result will be value is 12. And if I change the value from 12 to 14, then this statement will run. So let me show you. And if I change the value from 14 to, let's just say 20, then what do you think, what will run? Yes, the else part will run. So let me save it and let me refresh this, and you will see value is not 10. So let me revise everything for you. So in the if statement, we are checking whether the value of age is equal to 10 or not. So if the value of age is equal to 10, then this will run. And if it is not true, if it is incorrect, then the JavaScript will run to this line and it will check for this condition. So if age is equal to 12, so if the value of age is 12, then it will do this. And if it is not 12, then it will run to this line and it will check for this statement and this condition. And in here we are checking whether the value of age is 14 or not. And if the value of age is 14, then it will print this line or run everything that is inside these braces. And if it is not 14, and if all these if or else if statement are wrong or incorrect, then only the JavaScript will run to this line and these lines of code will be executed. Okay, so I hope you understand what I mean. Now before I let you go, I want to show you something else. So in this if line or in this else if line, we can also check for multiple statement. We can check for, so if age is equal to 10, or, so this is or operator, this one. So or age is equal to 11. So if the value of age is equal to 10 or the value of age is equal to 11, then do this. What I mean in this statement is, if any of these conditions, so if this one or this one is true, then do this. Okay, so let me change the value from 20 to 11 and save this program and run this over here. Then you will see the value is 10. And let me change it a little bit. So and save this and refresh this, and you will see the value is 10/11. So if this age is equal to 10 or the age is equal to 14, this is the or operator. So if the value of age is 10 or the value of age is 11, then please execute everything that is inside these braces. Now I want to show you another operator, and that is AND operator. And before I show you AND operator, I need to make a variable. So let x is equal to 13 and the semicolon right there, and in here I will check if the value of age is 12, and this is the AND operator. So if the value of age is 12 and the value of x is 13, then do this. Okay, so value of age is 12 and value of x is 13. Okay, now so if the value of age is 12 and the value of x is 13, then if the both condition are true, if both of these condition are true, then do everything that is inside these braces. Okay, So let me run this and you know the result. The value of age is not equal to 12, but the value of x is equal to 13. This AND operator requires both of them to be true. So let me change the value here. And if I save this and if I run this, then you will see value of age is 12 and value of x is 13. The main difference between the OR operator, this is the OR operator, and this is the AND operator. So the main difference between them is that the OR operator requires one of the statement to be true and one of them can be false, but this AND operator requires both of them to be true. Okay, that was all I wanted to teach you today, and that's gonna be it from me for this video. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave them down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.